guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be installing another important piece of protection on the 2019 KTM 300XE here. Today we're going to be installing the Fastway rear rotor guard made by Pro Moto Billet out of Idaho. These are good products. They make a quality billet piece. As you can see in another video, I already installed their Fastway linkage guard. Now I'm going to follow it up with their Fastway rear rotor guard to protect my rear Brembo brakes. So this may come with an instruction manual, but if you want, you can go ahead and print it out online. Go to pmbhowto.com and you basically just go by what kind of product it is, and it shows you all the instructions. So this is really a pretty simple install. There's only 4 bolts. All you got to do is take a few things apart here, and it shouldn't take more than about 15 minutes and a couple of tools. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to have the bike on the stand, and we're going to go ahead and take this rear wheel off by first removing the rear axle nut and removing the axle. So you're going to need a 32mm wrench or socket, and I'll use a breaker bar here. Just go ahead and get it on this rear axle nut. Remove your rear axle block, remove your rear axle, remove your rear tire, set it aside. Now you can get access to this rear caliper. Alright, so now that we've got the wheel off the bike, we're going to open the package here. Okay, now that we've got the rear wheel off, we're going to go ahead and take your Fastway rotor guard, and you're going to go ahead and insert it up between the swing arm and the rear caliper mount. Okay, now that you've got that hanging there, you're going to go ahead and take your second billet piece here, and you're going to take these little bosses and you're going to go ahead and insert it with the corresponding small, square, and large rectangle through the bottom mount here. Alright, now that you've got your rear rotor guard bracket on the inside of the rear caliper mount, you're going to take your 4 bolts. There's 3 with countersunk heads on them and then 1 button head. You're going to use a 4mm Allen with a ratchet, and you're going to go ahead and insert these into the corresponding holes and tighten them down. Alright, now that you've got these threaded in hand tight, you're going to go ahead and use your ratchet and torque them down kind of evenly. Alright, now that you've got all 4 of those bolts tight, you can go ahead and reinstall your rear wheel. Now that you've got the axle back through, go ahead and reinstall your passenger side axle block. Now you're going to go ahead and put your rear axle nut back on. Make sure that you put pressure on the rear of the tire so that your axle blocks are seated against the chain adjusters. And I'm just going to go ahead and tighten this up a little bit, and then I'm going to use a torque wrench to torque it to 59 foot-pounds. On this particular bike, the rear axle nut torque is 59 foot-pounds. I've already got my torque wrench set. And there we go, guys. That concludes the installation of the Pro Moto Billet Fastway rear rotor guard. Thanks for watching.